Hello, these are my finished polymer clay. I am going to bake them, which I will use my oven I purchased many years ago from Goodwill, only $10, and I haven't used it often because I didn't create anything for a while since last time. I don't know how long. And then today I would like to put these on my Etsy store because I think people like my products too. I sold them 4 items recently, and I will do more. I will produce them more as I don't have a job now. So sad. I am unemployed and will stay home more, then I have more time to produce these. If you're interested to support me, please check on my essay, the link in the description box. Okay, this time I am happy because nothing burned at all. Bye.